I just filed my taxes with CloudTax. Let's check it out. Go to cloudtax.ca. Anyone can file with CloudTax, whether you're employed, a student, or retired. With their easy step-by-step application, even first-timers like me can file with confidence. I'm going to start with creating my account and filling out my name. With CRA autofill my return, I can fill in most of my information directly from the CRA. Look at that, it's magic. The best part is, if I have a question, a tax expert will answer my questions in real time. Can I claim my rent? Great, that was so fast. With CloudTax, you can file from anywhere on any device. Thanks to CloudTax, it runs thousands of calculations to maximize my refund, which is great because I don't have to do any work. Now it's the moment of truth. All I have to do is click submit, and my return will be filed straight to the CRA. Go to cloudtax.ca today and file your taxes for free.